that here, guys, that will be example how to correctly build that wooden floor. That is wall and that is under floor or subfloor. When we install first board, between the board and wall must be for 1 finger space. That is very important because the wooden floor always moving. That's depend from the moisture inside the walls and floor. Between that subfloor or underfloor will be nice if we install some isolation. First board I always screw from the top down. Guys, then I will continue with work like this. I will drill holes here and just screw like this here. Why I doing like this? First board here down, that one was fixed, but all boards I screw like here there because screw now push every board there. Now we have here gap and I will show you how will that screw push that board there. And we can see no more gap here. If we still have here a gap and we cannot push with screw there, then it's another solution. We prepare like before, we make a hole and then solution is here. We must cut like 2 boards, 1 board like in half, like this, and then go that board here and that board here. And then we have 1 piece of wood that we will screw here. And then because that board here is very bad, it's very curved and we cannot repair this with screw, that means we will repair with this. Like we see, this gap here will gone. No more gap here, and we have here cut out. This is the reason. We can come here with the screw and we are screw here, and that we take this out and that board will stay in place, will be no more gap. Now we will install that boards which one go in a wall. First I cut here angle 10 degrees, then I drill holes here. It's like this. And because we are cut before that angle here of 10 degrees, that means that screw, which one was here, always push that board to the wall. We have space now between the headboard and wall. We can install here cables for electricity. I will install like this. Cable will go here inside, that one will go like this, then switch or whatever you need will go like this inside. Guys, let's go now on build of this wooden floor. Here is okay, because here is the highest point of the floor, but here is gap all around, and also here. I will screw here, here, and then on the finish, but that is not good. Solution for this is construction foam. Guys, I wish I built that floor before I built that bed. And here's another screw, and on the finish is one more, but here between is nothing, and that means is doing like this is no support and is very bad. now. And the best part of new floor is I can walking barefoot here all around. If you like what I'm doing here, and if you wanna support, we can make together more videos like this, then link is in description. And guys, here is the video how that floor was looking before everything. First when I came here into the house.